Hey, this is John at the CFI Tractor Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to change glad hand seals. It's a relatively easy process, and I'll start walking you through it. The glad hands don't need to be looking like they're dry rotted and worn out, so we're going to go ahead and replace it with a brand new one here. It's nice and sleek. We do have a special tool that you can use, and you just pop it in here and then you pry it out. It's pretty easy. But I highly doubt you're going to have one of those out on the road. We'll go ahead and just pop that out with a screwdriver and get that off of there. Set that there for now. The new ones are slightly lubed up, so you could just pop them right into place, just like so. Sometimes it'll get snagged up, and you just take your screwdriver and put that little seal back down in there. We'll pop it back on here. That's all there is to it.